Kardom pinibirta arjikta pinibirta thanbang phi nilika jirong hangpi.
Lapen nilik monitoron pi aprang si birtang ton pen chepajur midam de aprang birtang kung pi arjikta. KSA HRC asai malong EM konsing rong pi aphat EM arpu pasunang ji pusi perang ke mai ke pa. Prilalong kido PHC water supply scheme to sita kido pajoy. Adivasi Welfare Trust atupan patir pipon si Wir Samunda Foundation along ekisom.
Birtang kungpi arjik dara phipothat birtang tonpen chipajur midam sinang.
Bokajan subdivision angkang Adivasi Sahid Bedi Park and entrance gate along Adivasi Welfare Trust atumpen patir pipon si Wir Samunda Foundation along ekisom. Jakong ni pahi ni arni Bokajan subdivision angkang NH39 atwa arai Adivasi Sahid Bedi Park and entrance gate along Adivasi Welfare Trust atumpen patir pipon si Wir Samunda Foundation along ekisom pon mati pangipon. Bangsa sehelong manteng alihi kacitong dot Anil Topo Chief Advisor AAS AAKADC Ilyas Tirti Kechumbang AAS AAKADC lapan alang lihisang watun cetong dot si Bir Samunda Foundation along ekisom pon asa insam jinpen pacun pon lo. Bali pacar dan berita pandak pon jatno sing be News 24 Karbi Anglong.
Prilo la pentheso terang arong along kedo pechi alang inkrodosita kedo pajoya son mandet.
West Karbi Anglong Keroni PHC subdivision angkang arlo kido Prilo la pentheso terang arong along kido PHC alang inkrodosita do pajoy nang mandet. Ningkan krep hoprang ke hadak araratum tang sertang alang apora tingpen longpon puta hadak araratum ninje. Bon sitame non ke ningkan krep hoprang lang pichot pen non pu arni anta tang sertang alang PHC department asor ke pipon tek tedet abang ke manghu meme alam lapen apong sorkar le chilar pon do pusitame bangso PHC alang inkro kahinot teklong sita teklong leder asonsi nang mandet puta hadak araratum ninje hur. Lang ke pipedet penajok hadak ke ongdung araratum jasemet ke ningkreng apora hut lang kature Halloween adim ansi lang kachonam pensi cepador lapusonta hekwan long. Lapang so puta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ke cariatum ke lang cari dunjiapan ke ongdung araratum chuning report. Kirani pen camera person Sarim Rong Art Jarap Chitudun pen berta pangdak pon Sarhoning T News 24 Karbi Anglong. West Karbi Anglong KSA aham pangasong atumpen EM konsing rong piapan perang ke amayalong ningkang samse cepaklang. Pinitong kamukam KSA Hamren Regional Committee HRC asai hemalong perang ke amay ke pa. Karbi Anglong Health and Family Welfare EM konsing rong pi KSA CEC akong chunbang tangsing timong apan lam kang tangpen ke thakaputak KSA HRC asai hemalong ningkang samse cepaklang. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in charge EM Health and Family Welfare konsing rong pi alang li hampang asong atumapan Karbok lapen rong mongwe Medical Sub Center along Dr. Kawi Aputa KSA CEC Kongchon bang tangsing timong apan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in charge Health and Family Welfare konsing rong pi lamkang tangpen ke thakajok alang lipan EM arpupen pasunwek nangji pusi perang ke amayalong KSA HRC klardak alam nang pachinidun. HRC amai pu propin timong kongchon bang babul terang lapen ari sangwatun cetong dun si ningduk cepaklang lapen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM tuliram rong hangapan kachoninguri Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council in charge Health and Family Welfare konsing rong piapan EM arpupen pasun nang jipusi perang ke amayalong nang pachinidun.
He turned the matter into another way due to this pandemic COVID-19. So the whole thing are turned into the negative way. So the Honorable Karbi Station General Secretary requested him time and again, but he refused for that. And at very time, the EM also misbehaved our Honorable General Secretary. So in this regard, we appeal the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Honorable CM Sir to terminate from the post of EM to Mr. Khonsing Rompi because he is not fitted for the post. And we all know that last 3 years he have already sit on his very EM post, but he did nothing, and he did nothing for our society. He is a medical EM. We can compare to the Assam Finance and Health Minister. He is day to night working for the betterment of this Assam, for our people. But our EM are doing nothing for our area. For that we are very sorry. We are so sad. So the upcoming days, if this thing repeat again, then we will do another step. So I request
Dong kamukam penberta pangdakpot di kanto terang East 24 Karbi Anglong.
Pinibirta lunch kang toninglo dome thangme kardom.